Chilly out there today, but the cold snap will not last that long. The winter season here on the Suncoast with cold weather one day, balmy temperatures the next can be tough on your plants. Mike McLaughlin, the director of horticulture at Selby Gardens, has some tips on how to keep tropical plants thriving through the winter.
Florida gardeners can enjoy exciting tropical plants in their landscape that can only be grown as houseplants in other parts of the country. However, tropical plants are not adapted to withstand cold weather and need winter protection. Even one night of low temperatures can do damage that will affect a plant all season long. Most tropical plants will be damaged by exposure to temperatures below freezing, and some will even exhibit signs as a result of temperatures in the 40s and 50s, such as yellowed leaves, foliar burn, and leaf drop. Tropical plants that you should be concerned about include orchids, bromeliads, aroids, palms, tropical shrubs, tender annuals, and some vegetable crops. Plants can be affected adversely not only by frozen tissues and frost formation, but also by drying winds. Because cold air is very low in humidity, cold winter winds can damage delicate plants. When cold temperatures are predicted, bring sensitive potted specimens indoors or into your garage. Water your outdoor plants well the day before cold weather, ensuring that foliage has time to dry before freezing temperatures. Make sure to turn off your irrigation system. Watering during a freeze will usually worsen cold damage. One exception to this is orchids. Keep them on the dry side, better wilted than rotted. Plants next to a heated building, protected from winds by a fence, or under the canopy of a tree may survive cold weather without additional protection. But plants in the open are more vulnerable and should be protected by covering. Cover plants with fabric, blankets, frost cloth, or even a trash can. Make sure to cover all the way to the ground to trap heat and anchor to hold against the wind. Don't use plastic sheeting directly on plants because leaves touching the plastic will freeze. When temperatures rise up again into the 40s, remember to remove covers to prevent overheating. Don't be dismayed if your plants lose some of their leaves, and resist the urge to prune bare stems until you see new growth in the spring. Properly protected, your tender tropical plants will be back to enhance your garden for another season. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the gardens.